Advanced Surgical and Bariatrics is very excited to announce that we are back to resuming daily operations. We are taking all necessary precautions to ensure that patients are safe as well as office staff. We ask that all patients and clinicians wear a mask when entering the office and that you wash your hands when entering the office as well. We have patients avoid person-to-person contact in the office when applicable. We try to facilitate social distancing within the office, especially in our waiting room. We have patients 6 feet apart from each other. If you have any fever or flu-like symptoms within the last 15 days of your appointment, we ask that you kindly reschedule that appointment. We can assure you that we are taking all precautionary measures by enhanced office cleaning and disinfection, rigorous PPE protections for staff to prevent cross-contamination. We are reducing patient numbers within the waiting room, and we are taking precautionary measures with preoperative screening and testing of all of our patients prior to appointments and procedures.